What's up, everybody? Master King Chef J right here, and I appreciate y'all watching. We got something special for y'all today. We are doing 100% vegan. And y'all know I'm not the expert at the vegan stuff, but I got an expert here, my sister, Dewanda Simpson, owner of the Veggie Table, which is a veggie mobile food service. So tell them about your place, Dewanda.
Hello everyone, my name is Dewanda. I am the owner of the Veggie Table. We are a mobile pop-up vegan restaurant, and we are currently at the Franklin Farmers Market every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you can come out and catch us and get you some tacos and breakfast casserole.
That's for all y'all people in Nashville, but for everybody else, all the way around the world, y'all want to see what she got going on, y'all stick around.
Now we are always building flavors every day of the week. Shout out to Chef Jaden, he done saved you a seat. Like, comment, and subscribe, and go and put on repeat. And now wait. Take out your seasoning and make it rain on that thing. This the type of cooking make him buy you a ring. Don't compare Chef J, cause he ain't the same. And that's for real though, you know the deal though. And I know you probably heard it through the grapevine, that everything that he makes, it is great fry. Lobster macaroni to the crab cake and the ribeye. Super Bowl videos, go get ready for the fish fry. Or some Nashville hot chicken for some kickback, Or some Henny hot wings just to get slapped, He moving up to greater things, ain't no get back, He the best of everything, Chef Gerard the Master King.
So a lot of people, Dewanda, have been asking me to do vegan stuff, and I was waiting for you because can't nobody do it like you do it. And your tacos are like extraordinary. If y'all never had it before, y'all in the Nashville area, man, look up the Veggie Table. It would blow your mind. But what we gonna do today, Dewanda?
Okay, so we're gonna do a vegan shrimp taco today. And we're gonna start with the crema.
All right, we back, y'all. I gotta take a little sip of my coffee, but you know, we call it coffee hustle juice around here. Y'all see what I'm saying? Get your hustle juice on. But right now, Dewanda, we getting ready to make the crema, right?
Right.
All right, so let's get into it. So you need me to cut this for you?
Yes, please.
Can I be the sous chef for the day?
Yeah,
All right.
definitely.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this for you. I'm gonna put that right there.
All right.
And then walk us through this crema.
Okay, so we add the lime juice into the blender.
Fresh lime juice, ain't nothing better than fresh, y'all. So what made you get started doing your own vegan thing?
Well, so back in March of, I guess it was 16, 17, went on a fast, and after I completed the fast, I did a Daniel fast. After I completed the fast, the Lord told me to do pescatarian.
Okay.
So I did pescatarian and did that for a couple of months, and then after that I watched What the Health. And after watching that, I was like, oh wow, this is crazy, all the stuff that is in the meats that we eat. So my husband and I decided to go cold turkey, and so from there came going vegan.
Well, thank God, because this food is delicious. Now listen, I'm a carnivore, I love my meat, and I promise you, like, I'm around them all the time, and I had to take baby steps, but I promise you, man, nothing that I've had has been not good for me. I mean, I've had the tacos, the Beyond Meat, all her side dishes, collard greens, macaroni and cheese. You can't even really tell the difference, man. It is the bomb. So y'all, please go to Facebook and check out the Veggie Table. All right, go ahead and finish with your crema.
All right, so we're gonna add the cilantro, fresh chopped cilantro.
That looks good.
It smells good. Okay, then we're gonna cut our avocado. And we squeeze it and turn it. And to get out this part, we're gonna put the knife there and turn it. And there we go.
In the blender it goes. So at the farmer's market, you're there every Saturday. About how many tacos you sell every Saturday?
Wow. About 80 to 100 tacos a week.
And how many tacos do they get?
Oh, they get anywhere from 4 to 10 tacos.
Man,
per
y'all hear that?
person.
If y'all in the Nashville area, I strongly suggest y'all come down to the Nashville, the Franklin Farmers Market.
Yeah, and the strangest thing is when I first started the market in May, my objective was to do something different every week. But when I bought the tacos, you know, people were really excited about the tacos. And they would come back every week and be like, well, where's the tacos?
Right.
I said, okay, maybe I need to change something. So I decided to just feature tacos every week and then to do a special taco each week and have the basic ones, which are the beyond and the jackfruit, and then to add a specialty taco each week.
And today we're doing a specialty taco. We're
Yes.
doing a vegan shrimp taco.
Yes.
So what's next?
Okay, so after the avocado, we add coconut milk.
All right, so far you put 1 whole avocado, about a tablespoon of cilantro. I'm gonna say about 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. That's where we at right now.
And then we'll add garlic jalapeno. I don't know how much, I just kind of eyeball it.
All right, that's about a tablespoon right there.
Blender on, and we...
Hold on. She getting ready to blend that. Y'all cover your ears. While that's blending, we gonna show y'all what we got going on next. Go ahead.
Chef, what are you doing?
Hey, Dewanda, it looks so good. Can I taste it?
Sure, go
I mean, you got the fresh cilantro and the avocado, like, you know what I'm saying?
Go ahead.
We gotta finish? Cause I can just eat this straight out of the blender.
No, we gotta finish.
All right, so what you got going on over there?
So warming up our tortillas for the tacos.
Okay. So you probably just warm them up a quick 5 seconds on each side just to wake them up?
Yeah.
They were sleeping.
Yeah, very sleep.
All right, so we can go ahead and put them in here like I know you're gonna do, right?
Right.
They're nice and warm. So what you got going on next?
Okay, so next we're going to set up for the shrimp.
All right, guys, we're gonna get ready and go and cook this vegan shrimp for y'all. So all y'all vegan lovers out there, did y'all know y'all can eat shrimp? I didn't know y'all can eat shrimp.
Yeah, we can eat everything you can eat.
Plant-based shrimp, huh?
Yes.
All right. So when we come back, we're gonna cook the shrimp for y'all. So what are you doing right now, Dewanda?
I'm pouring this into this bottle so I can put the sauce on the tacos at the end.
All right. So that's just like a little funnel. She just pouring it in there so she don't make a mess. That's a pretty cool gadget. I used one of those ones one time. I ran out of gas, and I went in my car,
No, you.
and I put that in, and I put gas in, but I ain't have no phone.
Oh my Lord. Well, I guess you always have cooking stuff with
You
you.
gotta think on the fly as a chef,
Right,
you know?
right. Okay, so we're gonna get started with our shrimp, vegan shrimp. We're gonna oil our pan. Chef, what are you doing?
Dewanda, I'm saying, like, you got all these fresh ingredients right here. If you say it's vegan, I wanted to see if it was really vegan, but it's delicious, vegan or no vegan. All right, what you got going
Oh
on?
my goodness.
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening. Can you start over, please?
Yeah, sure. So we oiled our pan, and I use grapeseed oil for high heat. So we oil our pan.
We got some scrimps.
Yes.
Vegan scrimps.
Vegan scrimp.
They ain't saying on Bubba Gump, on Forrest Gump about no vegan scrimps. They had barbecue shrimp, they had curry shrimp, they had fried shrimp. When you say shrimp, you gotta do your, can you do that? No, you ain't gonna, all right, all right, go ahead and cook your vegan shrimp.
Yes, vegan shrimp. So we'll add to the pan. It's not fancy. Yes,
So what is in that vegan shrimp?
so the vegan shrimp is made out of superfoods. It's all plant.
Oh, wow, so this is actually really good for you.
Yes.
Give you a burst of energy throughout the day.
Yes.
So how long do you cook this?
Well, we just want it to brown on the side and then turn it over because, you know, it's really not meat. So
Right, all right.
just wanted to get a little brown.
So check this out. She's gonna continue cooking the shrimp. I'm gonna stop sneaking all the food so we can have something to show y'all when we come back. Stick around. Man, those shrimp are looking and smelling so good. What did you season those shrimp with?
With Old Bay seasoning.
Wow, man, looks good. Camera girl, you see all these awesome toppings right here? You know what we're gonna do? We getting ready to build this taco. You know why? Because we are always building flavors. That's right, y'all got it. So Dewanda, go ahead, let me see how you do these tacos.
Okay, so we start with the black beans.
I don't think this could get any healthier, man. You got all these superfoods and then all the toppings are fresh. made the fresh pineapple salsa. We'll do a video there on another time.
Okay.
That's a really good topic.
And we have some roasted corn.
Now, did you take the corn out of the can?
Oh no.
You sure? All right.
Yeah, no.
All
This
right.
is fresh corn.
Man, she got excited right there. She was like, no, don't play with me like that.
No. Time.
I could just eat that like that right there.
Okay, then we're gonna add the lettuce. Add the lettuce.
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be a nice, healthy looking taco right there, man. And we can get these every week here in Nashville at the Frank's Farmers Market.
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
We're gonna add fresh pineapple mango salsa. Again, this is fresh fruit.
Okay, I got you. It's fresh. I got you. So today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh man, I gotta wait a little while to get some taco. We got some now though, Dewanda, so
Right.
make it do what it do right now.
And then we add some fresh green onion.
Looks good.
And then we'll add our shrimp.
What? Nah, you ain't just gonna lay them on top like that.
Yes.
Man,
So you can see them.
that's beautiful right there. Oh, Dewanda, you gotta be kidding me. Dude, look at me. Do y'all see this? This is vegan. Do y'all see this? Can I help out a little bit?
Sure.
Can I? No, add one more shrimp on it. I'm great. I'm excited right here. And then I'm gonna put a little fresh cilantro on top just like that, Dewanda, if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind.
Oh man, we're gonna do that just like that.
Oops.
When do we put the crema?
After you do that, you can put
All
the
right,
crema.
let's do this first.
Put the crema in then add
Oh, yeah. Can we do that in slow motion? Can we do that in slow motion? Look at this. Dewanda, you a bad girl, boy. You's a bad girl. We got a few people here, man. We got a few people here today in the audience. And they licking their lips. But they ain't getting none of this. I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all can't have none. Wow. Can you put that right there? Show the people what you made. Man, if they ain't a taco, it'll make you want to slap your mama. Don't slap your mama and then tell her that the chef told you to slap your mama and then people be trying to sue me. But that right there is a fine, delicious looking taco. All right. Now, we're going to go and take our shots and do what we do. And then we're going to come back and I'm going to eat taco. Y'all stick around. All right, guys, it's about time to go in and taste this thing, Dewanda, and I'm gonna ask you this time. Is it all right if I steal a scrump? A shrimp.
Sure.
All right, so I made my own little taco right here because I ain't want to make a mess when I ate it. But man, you say superfood?
Mm-hmm.
I get this every Saturday.
Not this particular one, but
Okay, I'm going in, man. Give me 1 second. If you was to put this in front of me at a restaurant, first of all, I would pay like $30 for a taco.
oh wow.
It is delicious. But I would not know that this is vegan. As a matter of fact, it got a lot of flavor. Do you know you be building flavors? You probably don't even know you building flavors, girl.
Mm-hmm.
The woman, this taco is fire. This is straight fire. Tell them one more time, website, give them all that stuff real quick.
Okay, so our website is www.theveggietable.net. You can also follow us on Facebook at The Veggie Table and also on Instagram at @the_V_table.
I feel like a superhero eating my superfood. All right, guys. I hate to wrap this up because it's so good, but we gotta go. Dewanda, thank you so much for blessing me.
You're welcome.
Coming on my show, doing your thing with this awesome food.
Thank you for
It
having
was a
me.
pleasure having you. Hey guys, remember, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank you guys for watching. God bless.